Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So this week we're talking about patient confidentiality and HIPAA. Very, very important things in regards to what we do on a daily basis in the healthcare setting. It ties really nicely into the medical record because patient confidentiality and HIPAA are very, very critical in regards to not sharing medical information that shouldn't be shared with people not involved in medical care. If you look at the course content, okay, in week 12, and I can't scroll up that far because of the video. Let me see if I can move it. You have, of course, your lecture, and then you have your chapter lecture question, and it talks about HIPAA, right? HIPAA is a key term in healthcare. Why does it exist, and why does it protect? It's super simple. Make sure you write really nice outline about that. Do some research. Then we have some information about HIPAA privacy and security. Lots of great information in the text as well in Chapter 10, but make sure you also do your Chapter 10 review questions. So a pretty standard week. Next week, I want to remind you that we do have Exam 2. So we're coming up on the end of the semester. So make sure Exam 2 is ready to go. 12/8 is the last day of the exam, so really Chapter 14 is kind of a prepare for the final exam, or week 14, I'm sorry, is prepare for the final exam. So we won't have a ton of time in between exam 2 and the final exam, but I'll make sure that you have enough to prepare. I hope you're doing well. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.